78 miles an hour. Alright, hold on.
On New Year's Eve, a state patrol officer on routine patrol noticed a white SUV driving recklessly. The driver was swerving across multiple lanes, cutting into traffic. The officer's radar clocked the suspect's speed at 78 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone. Realizing that this posed a serious danger to holiday pedestrians, the officer turned on his emergency lights to stop the vehicle.
Right there, mother. Go ahead. Where are you coming? That's more quickly. Over, eastbound your path, please.
Hands behind your back! I'm sorry, brother. I'm so sorry. Keep your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Are you a cop? No, I'm not. Alright, you good. Just stay where you at, big dog, okay? I appreciate it. Alright, you good, big dog, you good. Stay where you at. I'm sorry. Hands behind your back! You're gonna get I'm hurt, bro, I'm hurt. I don't give a
The police officer ran up to the wrecked car with his gun drawn and ordered the driver and his passenger to get down on the ground. What happened next was real emotional roller coaster. In a panic, the driver immediately burst into tears, screaming that he was injured and loudly cursing the officer for crashing his car. When the officer asked why he had tried to flee, the suspect offered an incredible, ridiculous excuse.
I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. You hit me, bro, hard as bro.
Absolutely I did.
Why would you do that?
You're running from the cops.
I put the hazard lights.
That don't matter.
I was gonna stop, but you was going crazy as f***.
You pull over. You had an opportunity to
I was going to, bro. I promise you, dog.
We're not gonna argue.
I'm gonna give you my name. It's Jonathan.
After being transported to a local hospital and medically cleared for his minor injuries, the suspect was hauled directly to the county jail. By choosing to run from a basic traffic ticket, he escalated a simple stop into a severe criminal case, catching heavy indictments including felony fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and excessive speeding. A state trooper pulled his patrol car over on a major interstate highway and waited patiently on the shoulder. He was acting on a strict search warrant, looking for a black, heavy-duty motorcycle without license plates. This particular motorcyclist had evaded law enforcement 5 times over the past month. The officers analyzed his driving style, predicted his route, and set up for a perfect ambush. During a personnel search, a number of highly suspicious items were found on the motorcyclist. The officer discovered a package containing products imported from another state that contained THC, which the scared suspect desperately tried to pass off as legal hemp products. as well as mysterious blue pills of unknown origin. When asked about the pill, the suspect realized that his legal situation was becoming increasingly precarious and immediately invoked his right to remain silent. The officer took the motorcyclist directly to the county jail. By choosing to flee from the law, the suspect faced serious charges, including third-degree escape and evasion of justice, reckless driving, driving without a license plate, and pending drug trafficking charges. As always, I want to thank you for your time, and please have a great day.